Okay, is that what that does? Right on, right on. Good morning, guys. Off on the road we go. Our first goal, our first mission of the day is to drive south through Maine and pretty much go completely around Portland. And so once we get past Portland, I'll let you know what's up from there. Finally, off that toll road. 95 south through Maine is a toll road, and it was just one toll plaza on the highway, but we got to it and it said 2 axles are $225. I get up there, she says $560. Okay, like I had $225 ready to go, and can you explain that to me? Oh, RVs are extra. Well, it says 2 axles. Okay, so somewhere in the rules, an RV is double the price when you go through, even if you're just 2 axles. I give up. There's no point in even gathering change anymore, because this is going to be some random number they picked every time. But we're done with toll roads for now. I'm going to try to stay off of them. And we're going to play in the South Maine area today, back roads. Sound good? All right. Guess what? Now we're back on Route 1 in Maine. Yeah, the water's off to our left here, but can't see it. But Route 1, we are off the freeway. Wait, freeway? No, it's not a freeway because it's a tollway. 95, yeah, okay, not a freeway. But this is better. This is nicer. There's actually a rule down in Florida. Don't know if you guys remember me telling you this last time I was down there, but A1A, that highway that's even closer to the coast than Route 1. In Florida, there's a statewide ban for RV parking, what do you call it, east of A1A, overnight parking. Yeah, that's a law down there. So you can park your car or your van, you can't park an RV east of that highway. Don't know if that's the same thing all the way up and down the coast. And I bet some of you guys are wondering, are we going to stick to the coast? Well, here's the thing. I'm going to visit the coast, but the last 2 times I was over on the East Coast, I only did coastal places of everything. Maryland, North and South Carolina, I was always on the coast. So this year, I'm going to do some different exploring, some new stuff. But don't be surprised if I dart over to the coast when I need an ocean fix, okay? Cool. Okay, I got one for you guys. It's like a creepy castle, abandoned house, built like a castle almost. The property has a gate and says no trespassing, but it kind of looks like it hasn't been operated for quite some time with the peeling paint on the pillars. Yeah, how would you like to live in that castle? I really want to know, like that looks like a barn over there. Sometimes if you just stand out here long enough with the RV logo, the owners will look through their window and be, hey, you want to come check this out? I don't think they're going to do it today. I don't think anybody lives there or wants to be in there. I'd totally live in there, though. It's pretty sweet. So in a post-magnet collecting era on the road, I feel like I'm going to have to find something different to collect for all the quirky stops. Possibly some stickers, really lightweight paper stickers, maybe, yeah. Feel like a little snack here at Skin's Scoop. Maybe some ice cream or something? No. Closed on a Thursday at 2 p.m. in the summertime. Okay, darn. But what the... Okay, the ice cream store is closed, but this one, wine and cheese, with their building in the shape of a block of cheese. Can you see that? Not sure if you can see how the shape of the actual building is a block of cheese. And look at that creepy mouse up there. Yeah, you're pretty creepy, dude. Okay. Big old negative on the ice cream. Okay, we'll just keep going. Route 1's a little slow, just like up in northern Maine. Here in southern Maine, yeah, it's slow going, but guess what? I'm not in a hurry. Yeah, why don't you finish your lunch, Jackson, then we'll get a move on it, okay? All right, let me know when you're done eating, big guy. Like your candy cane tail. Okay, so no surprise, things don't always quite go as planned, but today's plan and destination and everything was a complete bust. Actually, it was my plan to go to York Beach and take Jax down to the beach and camp nearby. And what had happened is I drove into the York Beach Park and every single spot was full. There was 2 handicap spots, but otherwise every parking spot was full. There was nowhere to park in I mean within 1 mile of the beach, all the side street parking, the cars were out into the road. It was a nightmare over there. I wanted to take Jax out to the beach in the stroller and everything, and so that's how quickly things can change. You just gotta adapt, you know, and this time of year it's still nice here in the Northeast, so everybody's still enjoying the weather and the beaches out here, which means I gotta stay away in the RV. I will find something later. I'm just going to continue to keep going south until I find something a little more friendly and welcoming to the RV and Jax and I. But you guys know how I love to find Adirondack chairs, bigger than life Paul Bunyan Adirondack chairs around the country. Oh, what is this? Yoga on the Hill in Kittery. A huge, nice, plush, soft, comfy recliner there. Not recliner, but chair. I'm gonna head up there. I will just point out, it's not as comfy as it looks. It looks like it's really plush, but it's just hardwood. But yeah, thank you for the quirk, Kittery. That's awesome. That's a monster chair. So, I'm still gonna try to find a spot near the water. Let me do a little bit of research here on Google Maps. Welcome to Kittery, Maine, everybody. And, well, with all the Walmarts around the country slowly putting a halt to their overnight parking allowances, it's nice that you can still find a local company like the Kittery Outlets here who allows you to overnight in your RV. And they've got like hundreds and hundreds of stores around here. And, well, I might also add quite a view of the harbor out here as well. It's pretty nice, right off of Route 1. All right, so maybe a little bit of miscommunication about Kittery Outlets. I was using freecampsites.net, and there's a bunch of reviews on there that say they love RVers. However, security told me that I needed to move to a different lot, and I was like, sure, yeah, I will gladly go move over there. Well, I forgot where exactly he wanted me, so I called the number. And the lady there at information said, absolutely not. You are not allowed to overnight park anything anywhere on our property. And I said, I just spoke to your security officer who does the rounds. He just told me where to go. Anyway, I had to wait for him to come back around and ask him, and I was like, I just want to be clear on this. You realize information says I can't overnight park here? He said, yeah, don't listen to information. They don't. Kittery wants RVs. They want you to check out all their outlet stores, 200 plus stores or something like that. You know, they want you to come in the stores, and they do allow overnight parking, but in only one area here. So I'm going to update freecampsites.net and let them know. You can only park behind Kittery Outlets 5. Big open lot that is not being used for some reason. Nobody wants to park here, but everywhere else you can't even find a parking spot. So yeah, I'll go ahead and update that. And if you guys are in the Kittery, Maine area and want to check out all they got so many outlet stores, and you can overnight for one night. I would just check in with a security guy when you see him and make sure you're in the right spot. But he said behind 5. 5's the good spot. No views, close to the highway. But you know what? I don't need to plug in, so it's fine by me. For what? Oh. Anything else? Okay. He's like, I can't decide if I want to get up or not. Is it worth it? Is there any food involved, Dad? Look at my belly. My belly. I think we got a nice view out there, though. It's not like we're looking at a parking lot with a garbage and trash and everything. Just scenery. So. Where you going, Jax? Looking around? The sun's setting behind you. You want to see what it looks like? Oh, you don't care? Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's not the quietest, most awesome place. Got the highway right there, but I'm sure thankful that we have this spot tonight. Are you thankful, Jax? Huh? Alright. Okay, show him cat butt. Really, this is our last night in Maine for the summer. Unless we come back up, because I want to go do some other things. I guess that's true. I may come back to Maine this summer or this early fall. So, see. But I am leaving tomorrow morning and doing a different state. Okay? Okay, guys. Have a good night. Jackson and I will see you back on the road in a couple days. Bye-bye.